The foot pedal riser is one of those tools that you really need to have in your studio, and I really have no idea how we got along without it. No longer are you going to be chasing your foot pedal. No longer are you going to have that pain in your foot or ankle, because we like to sit and sew and we'll do it for a very long time, and after a while we don't even realize how long we've been sitting there. But having that foot pedal riser in that position is going to make time just slide on by, and you're just going to be able to get so much more done, so much more accomplished, because you're going to be more comfortable in doing the craft that you absolutely love. It's actually bringing the pedal more up to you so that you're not having to push so hard to get some momentum going when you're using the foot pedal. It raises it up, puts it at that angle for you to comfortably rest your foot on there, just like driving a car, hitting that gas pedal. And we can drive for hours, but this makes it so much more comfortable for us to do what we love, which is sew for hours. All you have to do is pull it out of the box. You're going to set it on the ground. You're going to take your foot pedal and you're going to place it right there onto the ergonomic non-slip surface, right where you normally would put your foot pedal. And then you'll be able to adjust your seat, and then you'll be able to just do all of your sewing. And it's just that simple to use.